took my mascara? Excuse me. Somebody stole my mascara. 1 second while I go look for my mascara. I'll be right back. Bonjour, bonsoir, hello, how are you? J'espère que tout le monde va bien. Welcome back to another video with me, Miss Aisha. How is everyone doing? I hope you guys are all well. Yeah, I bet you guys are like, this girl changes her hairstyle every single video. I swear the fait tombe like
incompréhension.
Tell na chaque video I'm bob best that best mais they don't bet it. No time they change some bob. I get so over hairstyles like so quick. Like I be trying to do a hairstyle and I'm like, oh, did I get the been one, but it never happens. Like I be getting so over it. But anyways, for today's look, as you can see, I'm going to do an everyday makeup look. Maquillage pour tous les jours. I'm when I go to work. This is how I do my makeup. When I just want to do something simple, this is how I do my makeup. And on top of that, y'all know, with this corona madness, like coronavirus, as you guys know, in Senegal it is illegal to go outside without wearing a mask, so we have to wear a mask. Even at work too, you have to wear a mask all day, and it's so annoying. I'm telling you, shit is real. Shit is getting real. Because this is not cute. Like the most annoying thing of 2020 is having to wear a mask all day and you take it off and like this is so disgusting. Like, oh my god. So as I was saying, this is a no-no. So because people like me who love wearing makeup, I love doing my makeup. Like I like being natural when I want to be natural, but I love wearing makeup. It's so fun to do to me. Like I just love when my face is like snatched for the gods. I am going to show you guys tricks yo xamanteni mom la utiliser pour def sama maquillage so I can get the least amount of makeup to not come off on my mask.
Oh, bala oh.
But anyways, I'm not saying que do dañ complètement, genre dinga am 0 maquillage si c'est masque parce que ça c'est impossible. Like I've tried really hard, but it's not possible. I have tried to find a way where I can get the least amount of makeup to not come off of my face. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. So we're gonna get into it. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Do not give it a thumbs down. I always do this. I'm always like, do not give it a thumbs down. Do not give it a thumbs down. Give me a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, share. Let me guys know what you think in the comment below after watching my video. Enjoy. Alright. Li ñu ko def mooy just suñu primer as usual. So after doing our primer, I take my beauty blender and hit it into my setting powder. So I set my primer. Just some setting powder bit of because I'm gonna move over. Check out primer bi nga xamantene daf koy loké wu ci biir. I'm gonna go into my foundation. So I love using the Ester lauder double wear foundation. C'est extraordinaire. Ku am peau grasse, oily skin. It's really good for oily skin because it's matte. It's not too heavy. It's very light on the face. Now I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to blend it on top of the powder. After blending it with a powder, I'm going to take the bottom of my beauty blender. Alright, so after putting my foundation, let me just some concealer. Alright, now I'm gonna let my concealer mutok tutti muhawa balama kay blender. I'll be right back. Maintenant, je vais prendre mon pinceau pour mon concealer et je vais blender tout ça. I'm gonna start with my chin. So I always make sure that I'm getting it to around my chin area because I get creasing like around here on my smile lines. So I try to blend it around my mouth area as well. I'm gonna take my setting powder. Let's set some concealer B. Now since I'm doing it everyday natural makeup, I set the top of my lid as well because I'm not gonna do eyeshadow. And if you see like you're getting streaks here, you want to sweep it a little bit and then dab it. I'm gonna set it around my whole mouth. So again, I get small lines. Smile lines, mas sabe disso, meio suri. Minhas aí trefe. In the corners of my nose, not on my neck, Ester. I look crazy. My forehead, my forehead, my tan head, and my nose. That looks so crazy. Now I'm gonna go into my eyebrows because they have disappeared. So je vais prendre mon brosse pour mes eyebrows. Je vais brosser mes eyebrows. So I'm gonna use, yes, no, I love powdered eyebrows because it just looks so natural. More natural, so the fake kind. So to make the look plus simple, je préfère powdered eyebrows.
It just gives you such a natural effect, and I love this. This angle, like it just helps make it so much easier to apply because I don't like doing concealer.
So I'm just gonna follow. Fill it in as I go. Eyebrows, no eyebrows. You know, it's so hard to get me to get both eyebrows when you look. What's good? So my eyebrows. Doe ijzer. Doe zeg ijzer. I cousine. They are cousins. Distant cousins. I can never get them to look like twins. Not even sisters. But I do the best I can for at least, so I can at least look decent. Somehow look alike. Ooh, next time I should do an eyebrow tutorial. I'm gonna do an eyebrow tutorial. Do one eye powder and one eye crayon. Comme ça, il y a des différences. Et voilà. I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna brush it. That's the best I can do. Told you, my eyebrows are cousins. They're very distant cousins. They are not twins. They don't like being twins. They don't like dressing alike. Alright, maintenant, je vais prendre mon poudre et mon brosse. I'm gonna start brushing away this excess powder. Next step, I'm going to take my bronzer. Je vais prendre mon bronzer, just my bronzer, and bronze my cheeks. Bronze around the face to bring some color into your face. I'm gonna take my powder brush and I'm gonna blend it. And so there's no harsh lines. Voila. Then I'm going to go into mascara. Well, more mascara. Oh, why am I singing today? I haven't a clue. I can't find. C'est le mascara que je vais utiliser. Je sais pas qui a pris mon mascara. Je pense que c'est quelqu'un dans mon maison. If I find out who took it, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. It doesn't give me like the super full effect that I usually like when I use my other mascara, but it's okay. I'm gonna find my mascara when I finish filming this video. Alright, so the trick to putting on mascara to get your lashes to be luscious is to go under first so that it gets curled and thick. And then after you go under, to get the length, you go over it as you curl it like this and push it outwards. Just like that. And be very careful so you don't takal subit. Alright, now I'm going to my favorite part, my highlighter. I'm gonna use my fan brush. So usually semaine of maquillage besan for everyday makeup. I usually take my eyeshadow palette. I take the purple that's inside because I don't have a purple liner at the moment. I need to buy that. And I line my lips. And I take my Carmex, or you can use lip gloss, or you can use lipstick, whatever feeds your boat. And remember, you're wearing a mask anyways, so you don't really want to put like certain lipsticks on your lip. And this is a matte lipstick that you know it's not gonna come off, because again, we are trying to avoid this. Like, this is just not the business. Like, we're just trying our best, because with this corona, like, ugh, it's so annoying. But anyways, like I said, we're trying to avoid this, so most of the time I just choose not to wear anything on my lips. I put not Carmex, Cosmetics, just so my lips are moisturized. Wow. So here's the final look. My everyday makeup. Now we're gonna test. I'm gonna wear the mask and see. Alright, so I'm back up with the clean mask. So here's the mask that I'm gonna wear. Like I said, c'est pas que do am dara si maquillage lu si tak dinga am maquillage lu si tak lo bon c'est forcé. But this is a way to lessen it. Nga xamanteni du tak bu baax comme So you're gonna get a little bit that's gonna still come on to the mask, but it's not going to be as much. Corona face. Nice. All right, I'm going to try wearing this all day. Je vais le porter. Not all day, all night. It's actually nighttime and I'm about to go out. So let me get next time ben xarit. Moi sol sama mas su ma dellu si waatee je vais faire un check-in avec vous. Comme ça ngeen xool how well we do. So I will see you guys later. So I'm dressed. Last thing I'm going to do more just some fixateur, some fix matte. Make sure that you guys moisturize your faces very good balaa ngay maquille parce que soo jël produit mat nga koy def sa kanam bi dafay wow du mën a nooyi daal. So make sure that you moisturize your face and just say some comme vidéo bee paase ni ma leen wane ni may préparer sama peau balaa may maquille. Vous faites la même chose before you put on all these matte products. So see you guys. Hello, I am back with a check-in. So I just went out to dinner and I came back. It has been a couple of hours. It hasn't been like that long. It's just been a couple of hours and I went out at night, not during the day, so my face wasn't as oily as it usually gets. But let me show you guys how well it did. So here's my face. This is how much makeup came off. So not that bad. Not bad at all. Next time I will try to film it during the day so you guys can really see like how much moisture comes out my face and how bad it is coming off the mask using this step, or how unbad it is. I be saying things so wrong. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share to your friends, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and also what else you would like to see me film. See you.